everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna, and the day has finally arrived. May the 4th be with you. It's here, our Galaxy Pour 13 artist collaboration. Amazing artists from all over the world and galaxy. Please follow along all day and see below for our artists and all the fantastic giveaways that are going on. Hi everyone, for time purposes, I'm showing you a split screen here. On the left, you're going to see all the paints that I'm going to be using. The only thing missing out of that is all the pigments that I'm using, because I didn't decide to use that until later on. But there are 10 pigments that I'll be adding to that. And on the right, you see it's a batter dispenser that I bought many years ago, and I did look it up online, and they're selling it all over the place. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it in Macy's. It's called a pancake batter dispenser. Very easy to find. It's great to use for a pour because, well, only for large pours, obviously, because that bottom comes off, and it's easy cleaning when you make pancakes, but it's great for the pour. And you'll see when I do it, it came out beautiful, really great. So here we go. Without further ado, it's a gallery wrap canvas. It's beautiful. It's 18 by 24. Thank you everyone for all the help you've given me. Here we go. Bye-bye. Here's a quick Star Wars joke. Which program did the Jedi use to open PDF files? Adobe One Kenobi. Here's another quick one. What do you call a pirate droid? R2-D2. Okay, this is the last one. Why did Anakin Skywalker cross the road? To get to the dark side. And black we have. So yeah, we have about 20 colors almost. Painted around the edges, as you can see. And I put my push pins down on the bottom. And I am not as brave as many. I don't know how I'm going to work that. Oh, I guess I got it. All right, so we got this so far. We got this far. We got this far. Now, if this works, let's hope for the best. Okay, I'm getting cells here already. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could see it. It'd be nice if maybe somebody could hold the camera a little closer. Yeah, like that. Hold it. Yeah, how cool. I wish we could zoom in or get closer. See that? Look at that. How cool. Alright. Alright, I'll put you back. And I'm going to let this loose on the top and see what happens. Woohoo! It worked! Yahoo! Look at that! Look at that go! Wow! Look at that! Wow! How exciting is this? This is so amazing. Look at this. Look at that paint. Woohoo! Woo! How cool is that? How cool is that? Slowly coming out. Woohoo! Whoa! Look at these cells. Wow! Can you see it? Wow! It's floating to my moon. It's getting over to my moon. How beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. How beautiful is that? Whoa! That is totally amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at the inside. Look at that inside. Look at the inside. Can you see the inside of that cup? Beautiful. Look at this. Look at what's on my canvas. Wow. Where do I go? Which way do I go? Look at this. Wow. What beautiful colors. Dun 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 dun. There's my humming for Star Wars. I hope that's enough. Oh, okay. How gorgeous is all of this? Can you believe what you see there? I don't see. Okay, so you have to know I'm never happy with what I have. So I'm going to go back in here. I really liked what happened when I put in the piggies. I like this little cloudy effect that I got. And I do have a lot of piggies already mixed up, because I was going to be using, I was going to do a bloom, and I didn't do the bloom. So I'm sitting here contemplating this painting, and although I absolutely love what I have here, it's the weirdest looking thing I've ever seen in my life. I feel like I have a million eyes staring at me. Which is, in my galaxy, that's what it is. There's so many people out there in the galaxy that are staring at us. I mean, in the universe, we're not alone. We know we're not alone out there. So we have all these eyes watching us, and this is what's depicted in my galaxy, which I find very strange. But to say, the least that I have to say is I like this. See this here? I like what that did. And I like this. So this was over here, this pink was the Twilight from this little Piggy. And over here was Nebula. And I still have all the paints all over me, because this is only a few minutes later. I only sat here a little while. So I do have some more Piggies. I have lots of Piggies mixed up here, because I was using Piggies. I was going to use them. So I have Aspen mixed up. So I'm going to give it a little go. And I'm going to stir this up, because they were laying here. They were just sitting around waiting for me to use them. I mixed them up a few days ago. And here's the beautiful Aspen, all mixed up. And I'm going to get myself a little palette knife. And I'm going to put some Aspen through here. Aspen has a nice, I didn't have any green in here. This has a nice little green color going through it. So I'm going to put a little Aspen in here. I can actually use this. I guess I'll work on this side for right now, because this is where I am. And yeah, these are like, I don't know, I guess they're like clouds in the universe, in my little galaxy. They're little clouds. Little clouds wisping through. I don't want to break up any of those eyes. I do like those eyes. Let's pour a little through here. Pour some down in here. Put a little bit over here. It's a little Aspen. All right. Not going to put much of it, just a little bit. So that's the Aspen. And Comet. How can I not use Comet? Comet is my favorite Piggy of all. It just shines like crazy. It's an iridescent. This is my Galaxy pour for 2021. May the 4th be with you. It has 13 stars, a baker's dozen that represents all of the 13 artists that painted for this Galaxy pour. Each one special in their own way. We're a great bunch. We had a great time. This was the best learning experience. It really was the best of times. Everyone worked well together. And this painting came out totally amazing. It has lots of eyes in it. And those are the eyes of all those aliens out in those galaxies, staring down upon us. Yes, they are. They're looking at us, and they're out there. We know they're out there. That's a whole other movie, but yes, they are. Please stay tuned. There's many other artists to follow me Here's looking at you. There's one of those eyes. But there's 12 more artists that'll be following me today. We have many prizes for you, so please make sure you comment and subscribe to each one. Even if you just say a little something, that's all you have to do. You really want to win one of those prizes. Please look down in the description below. It's been a great ride. Thank you for coming. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye. And always remember, may the force be with you. And always let the light prevail over the darkness. Bye-bye now.